The institutional investor owned 32,155 shares of the utilities provider's stock after selling 3,878 shares during the period. Mondrian Invest Prtnrs Ltd owns 0% invested in Duke Energy Corporation, New York Stock Exchange DUK, for 429 shares. Viking Fund Management Llc decreased Qep Resources In, New York Stock Exchange Qep, staked by 310,000 shares to 120,000 valued at $1.21 million in 2017 Q2. Envestnet Asset invested 0.05% of its portfolio in Duke Energy Corporation, New York Stock Exchange DUK. Shares of DUK have increased 3.75% in the past 3 months while the S&P 500 has dropped -0.3% in that time. Howe And Rusling Inc. accumulated 111,795 shares, or 1.9% of the stock. FMR LLC now owns 4,909,584 shares of the utilities provider's stock worth $402,635,000 after buying an additional 1,151,408 shares in the last quarter. Finally, Canada Pension Plan Investment Board lifted its stake in Duke Energy Corporation by 191.8% in the first quarter. DekaBank Deutsche Girozentrale now owns 474,548 shares of the utilities provider's stock valued at $39,069,000 after buying an additional 30,727 shares during the last quarter. Duke Energy Corporation's market capitalization will expectantly allow investors to gauge the growth versus the risk potentials. In the a year ago there have been a total of 54 insider trades, including 22 open market buys and 32 sells.